Everyone, welcome. Here today we have chicken lollipops. For this we would need the following ingredients. Slit or cut the chicken so that the ingredients get into it and gets spiced up and it shares a delicious flavor. Cut the side to form a lollipop kind of shape. Wrap it around the base to form the shape. Wrap it around the base to form the shape. To make the lollipop stand, chop the base flat so that it stands straight and it gives that beautiful appearance as a lollipop. To make the lollipop stand, chop the base flat. Repeat the process by making a slit on the sides of the chicken drumstick and then tear it around to separate the piece and roll it around the base so that it forms like a lollipop shape, like how I continue doing on all the remaining pieces. the semi-gravy sauce. For this we need chopped garlic, onion, and we stir fry it. Adding tomato puree to this gives a saucy texture and a semi-gravy sauce that is to be added if you like the semi-gravy lollipop. Adding ketchup gives a sweet tangy flavor. It helps it in not being very spicy. Adding freshly cut spring onions and cilantro adds a good flavor. And the delicious lollipop is ready. This is the dry, and with the sauce or the semi gravy you could get this wet chicken lollipop that is super delicious. The mouth-watering chicken lollipop is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you for watching.